Incremental greetings. This is Incremental, also known as William Palace. Let's say that in SuperMemopedia you meant to embed a YouTube video. That's actually what I did on April, which I asked one question and then myself I found out not a solution, but a workaround. And here I just pasted the code. But let's say that I want to embed that. When I did this, I didn't know how to do it, but now I do, as you can see here. So if you go to Edit, you will see the syntax, which is pretty easy. And here it is. Curly brackets, sharp AB dot YouTube, this icon, I don't know how it's called, and the ID. So I will cancel this edit, go back here. Okay, here I have the ID, so around, and I will change the ID for this ID. I am good to go. Just to make sure, I will make a force line break, minor edit, save page. Now will ask me to type in Supermemo. And voila, magic happens. I hope this is useful for you. Feel free to link and embed useful YouTube videos to solve issues with Supermemo. All the community will benefit from it.